Animal Crossing fans, and in this video I'm going to talk about two things that I like about kapp'n boat trips. So let's get started. So you know that on your pier there is a turtle called kapp'n. If you want to go on his boat trips, you need to talk to him and give him 1,000 miles. Then he's going to take you on a boat trip, which you're going to see on board on the television in a minute. So, one thing that I enjoy is that you can do some reactions. If you press A, you can clap. If you press, you can even do it. You can do this reaction, and you can do these three reactions. All of them are really good. In a minute, for the second one, it's actually, now you can actually skip his song by pressing B a couple of times. You may know that from the Island 101 service, because Isabel not announced that if you are in a rush, you can skip kapp'n's song by pressing B a couple of times. So then you land on the island. It might be a different season, or it might be a rare one. Now, this one is a spring one, which actually is actually a rare one, because these are actually rare islands for kapp'n. There is a star fragment island that you can get, which is actually the rarest island, I think. And I was trying to get that so long. I was time traveling a lot, but I couldn't get it. It's just really, really rare. So don't spend a lot of money on doing that. Like Mid Island. So this is actually a rare island because it's a different season. But yeah, so what you can do is chop trees, craft stuff. You can get the petals. You can craft lots of DIY recipes because of these. We've got these, so I can catch them, I think. But I haven't got a net. So yeah, you can catch the petals with your net, which is a really good thing. Which I really love. And another thing that I really like, that actually you can actually see kapp'n, wait a minute, a picture of Layla, which is his daughter, which appeared in the last couple of Animal Crossing games, and now you can have an amiibo to invite him to the roost with the whole family here. So this is actually really good detail that actually kapp'n is carrying some of the things that her mother gave, that her daughter gave him when she was a bit younger. So then you just talk to him, you can get tools from him, or you can just go home and just say never mind. I'm going home, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to leave a like. And I want to ask you a question. Did you ever find a different seasonal island before? Or did you even find the Star Fragment Island before? Be sure to leave a comment. And see you in another Animal Crossing video.